Achieving zero hunger requires a multi-phase approach to ensure everyone has access to sufficient nutrition food year-round. Effectiveness can be enhanced by addressing the root causes of hunger while implementing the sustainable solution. Here are the keys. Number 1. Strengthening food system. Improve agricultural productivity through innovation and technology. Promote sustainable farming practices to ensure long-term food security. Reduce food waste at all levels of the supply chain. Number 2. Empowering small-scale farmers. Provide access to affordable credit, tools, and education. Support farmers, cooperatives, and fair trade practices. Invest in local market to boost income and reduce reliance on imports. Number 3. Global and local collaboration. Strengthen international cooperation for humanitarian aid in famine-affected regions. Encourage the government to prioritize food security policies and commit resources. Effective implementation requires collaboration between government, NGOs, the private sector, and the communities.
SDG 4, or Sustainable Development Number 4, is a commitment to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. This goal aims to provide children and young people with quality and easy-to-access education as well as other learning opportunities and supports the reduction of inequalities. SDG 4 aims to provide children and young people with equality and easy access to education plus other learning opportunities. One of its targets is to achieve universal literacy and numeracy, a major component in acquiring knowledge as valuable skills in the learning environment. Hence the urgent need to build more educational facilities and also upgrade the present ones to provide safe, inclusive, and effective learning environments for all. And that's all.
Good day everyone. Today I am here to discuss an urgent global issue, climate change, and why we need to take immediately action. This is part of Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns, primarily caused by human activities such as deforestation, burning fossil fuels, and pollution. These activities release greenhouse gases which trap heat and warm the planet. In the Philippines, we experience the stronger typhoons, rising sea levels, and intense heat waves. For example, Typhoon Haiyan or Yolanda in 2013 devastated millions of lives and communities, reminding us of the harsh reality of climate change. But we are not powerless. We can take action by planting trees to absorb carbon dioxide, using renewable energy like solar and wind, and reducing waste by cycling and avoiding single-use plastics. Climate change is a challenge we all face, but it's also an opportunity to work together for a better future. Let us act now and take responsibility for our planet. Remember, small steps lead to big changes.